If you are in the market for a car that is luxurious and at the same time offers the sportiness at the price of about rupees 60 to 80 lakhs, then chances are that you would put your money in either of the entry level luxury saloons which have a sportier badging on them. And two examples of them are the Audi S5 and the recently launched BMW M340i. So let's compare and see if they can shrink up the luxury space. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Bhargava Mohan and today we are going to compare the Audi S5 and the BMW M340i. Now talking about the exteriors of the Audi Q5, what strikes you first is the color. The blue color shade and the sportiness of the car match it perfectly. And those LED lights are borrowed from the older S5 but are made a bit more sleeker. The tires are new. You can see those nice diamond cut alloy wheel pattern. Everything is actually more grown up than the older S5. So in terms of sportiness, Audi have nailed it. But does it have more than that of the M340i? That's a question that needs to have been answered in the later part of the story. Now talking about the interiors of the Audi S5, it has that nice steering which is leather wrapped and the other part of it is quite sporty as well. There is that nice S5 badging on the steering wheel and the controls and the whole design make it look like a driver's car. Now the pedals are again like the steering, very sporty looking. Coming to the dashboard, it is quite nicely finished and the touchscreen reminds you of the all new generations of the Audi vehicles like the facelifted A4 and even the Audi Q5 which was recently revised. So on the interior, the Audi S5 has a new set of features like a brand new 10.1 inch touchscreen borrowed from the A4 and the new Q5. The digital dials which were earlier offered on the S5 but now look much more neater and crisper. Now in the S5 you get a 3-liter turbocharged V6. It's a twin turbocharged V6 petrol engine which makes 354 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque and that's mated to an 8-speed torque converter automatic transmission and not the DSG that Audi uses. The gearbox, like a DSG, is quick shifting to say the least. Now talking about the M340i's design, it's similar to the one on the 3 Series, just that you can spot those different tires and that sporty grille and the M badging on the side profile. There's nothing much difference to substantiate it from the regular 3 Series, and there is a bit of difference between the color shades because the color you're seeing here is in a mixture of red and orange which looks quite nice on the M340i. Talking about the M340i's interiors, there's nothing much different from the 3 Series' interior as well. That's because you can spot those nice flappy paddles behind the steering wheel and the digital infotainment cluster on the virtual cockpit. You get the same touchscreen which supports iDrive and it's quite easy to use as well. Now the steering is borrowed from the 330i which is a more sportier one and the cabin definitely looks sporty but not as sporty as the one on the S5. Now the M340i also gets a heads-up display which is not available on the S5, which is a cool feature to have when you don't want to take your eyes off the road and also keep a warning on the speed track as well. Unlike the S5, the M340i gets a 3-liter inline 6 or a straight 6 twin turbocharged petrol engine, making 390 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, mated to an 8-speed torque converter automatic in BMW's fashion, which is quick shifting and as lightning quick as a dual clutch automatic gearbox. At the end of the day, you can't go wrong with either two of these cars. Both of them are great in their own manner. Now, the S5 is performance oriented along with a luxury bit as well. However, the M340i is a staggering 70 lakh rupees cheaper and it has a more powerful engine which makes it the better buy and the winner in this test. However, you can't ignore the luxury and the practicality offered in the Audi S5. If you like this video, please make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time.